Welcome the our channel. Today we how to log into Printful with Etsy, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Printful. Press enter to navigate to the Printful website. Once the page loads, locate the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be prompted to enter your email address and password. Input your registered email address in the designated field. Enter your password in the password field. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. You should now be logged into your Printful account. Next, navigate to the Integrations section on the left-hand side. Find Etsy in the list of available integrations. Click on the Etsy option to begin the connection process. You will be redirected to a new page with information about linking your accounts. Click the Connect button to link Printful with your Etsy shop. You will be taken to the Etsy login page. Enter your Etsy account credentials if prompted. Allow Printful to access your Etsy shop by clicking Allow or Authorize. Once connected, you will be redirected back to Printful. Confirm that your Etsy shop is now listed under your integrations. You have successfully logged into Printful and connected it with Etsy. You are now ready to start using Printful for your Etsy shop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.